So hi, now we are going to discuss the ARP. So for the ARP or the Address Resolution Protocol, we have the Address Resolution Protocol or the ARP is a protocol used by the Internet Protocol IP, specifically IPv4, to map IP network addresses to the hardware addresses used by a data link protocol. The protocol operates below the network layer as a part of the interface between the OSI network and the OSI link layer. It is used when IPv4 is used over Ethernet. The term address resolution refers to the process of finding an address of a computer in a network. The address is resolved using a protocol in which a piece of information is sent by a client process executing on the local computer to a server process executing on a remote computer. The information received by the server allows the server to uniquely identify the network system for which the address was required and therefore to provide the required address. The address resolution procedure is completed when the client receives a response from the server containing the required address. An Ethernet network uses two hardware addresses which identify the source and destination of each frame sent by the Ethernet. The destination address may also identify a broadcast packet. The hardware address is also known as the medium access control or the MAC address in reference to the standards which define Ethernet. Each computer network interface card is allocated a globally unique 6-byte link address when the factory manufactures the card. It is the normal link source address used by an interface. A computer sends all packets which it creates with its own hardware source link address and receives all packets which match the same hardware address in the destination filter 1, pre-selected broadcast or multicast addresses. The Ethernet address is a link layer address that is dependent on the interface card which is used. IP operates at the network layer and is not concerned with the link addresses of individual nodes which are to be used. The Address Resolution Protocol or ARP is therefore used to translate between the two types of address. The ARP client and server processes operate on all computers using IP over Ethernet. The processes are normally implemented as part of the software hardware that drives the network interface card. So that's all for the Address Resolution Protocol or the ARP.